Brand new to our inventory here at Tameron Gulf Coast, we have this 2019 Sierra 1500 Denali crew cab pickup. On the exterior, you'll find HD surround vision camera system, IntelliBeam Automatic High Beam headlights, and running boards. Inside, we have comfortable leather seating for 5 with heated and cooled front seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and Ford collision alert system. The 8-inch color display comes preloaded with navigation and has Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. This one-owner 2019 GMC Sierra Denali has less than 46,000 miles, and it comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.